Good morning. How you all doing today? My name is BJ Bell. I am from Livingston, Alabama, and I'm taking this course because I want to learn more about hotel sales and event services. And hopefully one day I will get an internship working at a lot of hotels, such as like the Hampton Inn in Tuscaloosa, and hopefully one day I will work up there. And I love being in the hospitality industry because I've been working at Walmart for the past 8 years. I've been working at the Alabama. I've been working at the Bryant Dean Stadium for the past 4 years. As of right now, my current position at the stadium is I'm a greeter of the Alabama Kutztown Hospitality, and hopefully one day I will get an internship with them. I'm a people person, and I'm enrolled at the University of Alabama as a hospitality management major. I just love this course, and I want to get more information of being in the hospitality industry. And I want to welcome you all to this course, and I wish you all support and nothing but the best of luck. I hope you all have a good day. God bless you all, and Woe Tide!